If you open the Camtasia at the first time, it's not like other software. At the first, you cannot change the dimension of your work. You have to open it, and after that, you can change it very easy. This is our canvas. Everything that you import, for example, this is you learn how to import your media in media bin. You can simply drag and drop your media here and change in the tracks if you want. I will show you more. And if you click and drag this header, you can change your timing of your work. Okay, this is our, for example, TutorialCells logo. This is your canvas. You can see you can access all of the tools here. First, if you scroll up and down, you can change the canvas position. If you're holding your space, you can change the position of the canvas. This is on canvas. It does not change the position of the position of your video. If you click on the video, you can see it's turn it on in a timeline, and the properties will be turned on. And if you click and drag, now you can change the position of your video based on your canvas. Click somewhere else, and then you can see these are tools. This tool is for clicking the media in a scene. For example, you can, for example, go into the media and import simple image. This is an image, and drag and drop it here. You can see we have an image. You can change your image here, and you can see you can move it with this tool. This is an edit tool. You can change it, and from here you can change the size or everything that you want. I will show you more. Just I want to tell you this is on canvas. You can see you can move it. But if you click on this, you can move the canvas. For example, you're scrolling here and you want to edit it, and with that tool you can move your canvas, not your video position. You can see it's important. You have to go in this tool and change the video based on the canvas. So another shortcut that it's very useful. Always be in edit tool to change it, but holding your space and you can move it. For example, you want to see what happened here, and then holding a space and see what happened here. It's just moving the canvas position, not the video. Okay, this is on canvas. Another important thing is here. You can corner pin mode. For example, if you select it from here, from here you can change the perspective of your video. Corner pin, something like that, if you need to your project. Okay, it's interesting. You can move it anywhere that you want. It change the perspective of your work. Anywhere that you want, you can move it. I will show you more. You can animate everything in Camtasia. I will show you. You can see, go to animation here and drag and drop the I will show you more, don't worry. And change this pin corner, and you can see we have a simple animation to change that. I will show you all of this custom. You can almost animate everything here. Okay, this is this tool. With this tool, you can use the corner pin to create a 3D perspective with your media if you need. For example, here you can click in and change the perspective of that in any direction that you want. And then you can Ctrl Z to escape from that. Going to this tool. Another tool is crop. This is a crop tool. It's cropping, deleting some part of your video, for example, something like this. It does not delete the video, but it deleting the these areas of your timeline if you need. If you want to make your video smaller or anything, we can change the crop tool. And you can Ctrl Z to back. You can see the Camtasia has a snap, and you can simply snap your work, snap your video in any part that you want. So, for example, I don't want to do full this image, and you can use the crop, and I just want to see this person here. It does not deleting. The video is here, and click. You can see we have better position of your video here, your image here. So another tool is the cropping. Okay, the canvas option are here. You can change the for example, if you are here and you want to fit, just click and fit, or any size of your canvas. This is a zoom in on canvas fit. Okay, for example, if you want to zoom on your video and to see what happened here, you can use it. It doesn't just zoom in the canvas, not video. Another important thing here is detach canvas. If you want, you can detach your canvas and bring it in another part of your monitor, and you can reattach your canvas again. Most important thing of this part is project setting. In the project setting here, now you can change the canvas dimension. If you open it, you can access all of this canvas direction. For example, if you want to use it for YouTube shortcut, you have to go, for example, this full HD for your apply. I cancel it. So from here you can access all of the settings for your project dimension. Okay, the vertical version, and nice. This version is for apply it, feed it. Now you can see this version is dimension of the, you can see that our image are out of the canvas. I can click in and drop it on a C to render it after that. This version is for YouTube short or Instagram, anything that you want. You can come back to your full version, your full HD. And after that, if you don't find your dimension here, you can change the width and height directly from here. You have to go to the custom. If you change in your custom, you can type any number here. This color is for background. For example, change it any color that you want. Click anywhere and apply. And if you change the video, you can see the background of work are like this color. And you can bring it back to black if you need. Auto normalize loudness I will show you in audio part, but the frame rate is FPS, frame per second, 30. If you want to don't change it, because if you want to more frame per second, we have larger size of file. But for example, if you this number 30 is very nice for recording screen and educational purpose, but 16 is better for recording games. If you want to record a screen and we have lots of explosion moving, so we need more frame in 1 second to record all of these fast moving things. So if you recording games, change it to 60 FPS, and if you don't want, don't change FPS. Just this number is nice and it's okay. This is our project file, so you can change your dimension here. Okay, this is our canvas. The main thing And I think we don't have any setting here. I will show you all of the settings in timeline.